Good morning, everyone. Today, I will revise first the what is fraction, then I will continue with the question number 2. So, the fraction is when we take a part of anything and we have to represent that mathematically. For that, we have to study the fraction. Like if I have a chocolate and it has three parts, like if I have a chocolate and it has three parts and I have taken one part, now I have to represent that I have taken one part out of three. This thing I have to represent mathematically, so I will write it 1 out of 3. This is the representation of fraction. In this representation of fraction, 1 is a numerator and 3 is a denominator. Numerator is the parts taken and denominator is the total parts. Now, this is an example of taking a part from a whole. This is a whole thing and you have to take a part. Now, another example to take a part from the collection. If you have to take a part from the collection, like you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12 balls, like you have a collection of 12 balls, and in which 3 balls are red, 3 balls are red, and 2 balls are of green, and 4 balls are of black, and rest 3 balls are of blue colors. Okay, in this scenario, if you have taken the red balls, then अगर आपने इस कलेक्शन में से रेड बॉल्स को एज अ पार्ट अपने पास ले लिया है, then how will you represent the red colors in this? You will represent how many red colors are there? 3. And how many total number of balls are there? 12. This is the representation for red balls. Now if you have taken green balls, अगर आपने इस कलेक्शन में से ग्रीन बॉल्स को बाहर निकाल लिया है, then the representation for green balls is how many balls are there? Green balls are there? 2 balls. And how many total number of balls are there? 12. Right? Similarly for black balls. Now for black balls, the representation is how many black balls we have? How many black balls we have? Very good. 4. And total number of balls are 12. Right? Now, how many blue balls are there? How many blue balls are there? Blue balls are 3 only and out of 12. This is how you represent a part of a collection. This is a collection of balls in which some are red, green, black and blue. And this is a part of whole. 1. Now, I will go to the question number 2. And this question is an example of part of a collection. Question number 2A question. This question is 2 by 9 of 2 by 9 of 72. Listen very carefully. 2 by 9 of 72. In this question, 2 is a numerator, 9 is a denominator, and 72 is a whole number. 72 is a whole number. दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, इसका मतलब भी मैं आपको समझाऊंगा और आपको इसके स्टेप्स भी बताऊंगा कि कैसे 2 स्टेप्स में हम ये क्वेश्चन को कर सकते हैं. आई विल एक्सप्लेन दिस क्वेश्चन and also I will tell you how can you solve this question in 2 steps. In this question means you have 72 things. How many things you have? 72 things. You have 72 things. How many things you have? 72. Let's say you have 72 balls. 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 10 11 12 13 16, 17, 18, and so on. Let's say 72 balls you have, from which you have to take a part in the form of 2/9. It means from 9 balls you have taken 2 balls. From 9 balls you have taken 2 balls. Let's say these 2 balls you have taken from first 9 balls. From first 9 balls you have taken 2 balls. That's how you have to take balls from 72 balls. So how will you find how many balls you have taken? So how will you find how many balls you have taken? So what will we do? हम लोग क्या करेंगे? देखो, step 1 is divide the whole number by denominator. Divide the whole number by denominator. Let's divide 72 by 9. What will be the answer? If we divide 72 by 9, what will be the answer बेटा? जल्दी बता देंगे. If we divide 72 by 9, the answer will be 8. The answer will be 8. अगर आपको डिवीजन करना आता है, then you can divide it in rough like this. 72 divided by 9, it will give 72 and 0. This 8 is a quotient. This 8 is a quotient. Now step 2. Multiply quotient and numerator. आपको क्या क्या मल्टीप्लाई करना है? Quotient and numerator. So what is the quotient? 8. And the numerator is 2 here, and the numerator is 2 here. Hence you will get 16 balls out of 72. You can say if you have 2 balls, it means 2 balls out of 9, or 16 balls out of 72. 16 balls out of 72 or 2 balls out of 9. Here you have done multiplication of 8, and here you also have done multiplication by 8, and this 8 is the quotient here. This is how you have to solve this question. Question number B. Question number B is 3 by 7 of 56. Listen very carefully. 3 by 7 of 56. It has 2 steps. Step 1, step 2. Listen very carefully. This question is saying you have a collection of 56. अगर आपके पास 56 balls हैं, तो उसमें से आप अगर इस तरीके से निकालें, you can take out of 3 balls out of 7, आप 3 balls out of 7 balls ले सकते हो, तो बताइए हाउ मेनी बॉल्स यू हैव टू टेक आउट ऑफ 56। अगर आप 3 balls out of 7 ले सकते हो तो बताइए हाउ मेनी बॉल्स यू हैव टू टेक आउट ऑफ 56। इट इज वेरी इजी। नाउ वी विल सॉल्व दिस। स्टेप 1 इज डिवाइड the whole number by denominator. Sir, what is denominator here? This is denominator जो नीचे लिखा हुआ है total collection. This is whole number and this is numerator. Okay, you have to take 3 parts out of 7, then you have to tell how many parts you have taken out of 56. Divide the whole number by denominator, then you have to divide 56 by 7, and you have to divide 56 by 7. Then tell me what is your answer. 56 by 7, 56 को आपको 7 से divide करना है. Now divide 56 by 7 and tell me the answer, and the answer will be, let's see here, 56 by 7 and 8 is the quotient here, and 8 is the quotient here. You will get 8. Now step 2 is multiply the quotient by numerator. अब ये जो क्वेश्चन आया है इसको आपको न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Then 8 multiply by 3 and this will be 24. So you will take out of 56. How many balls you have to take out of? 24 out of 56. अगर आपने यहां पे 8 का मल्टीप्लाई करके 56 ले आए हो तो यहां भी 8 का ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है. अब बहुत इजीली आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि हम कैसे इन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे. बहुत इजी है. 56 को जो भी नीचे लिखा है 7 उससे डिवाइड कर दो, जो आंसर आएगा उसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. वन मोर क्वेश्चन वी विल डू. इजी क्वेश्चन करते हैं इस बार, ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. डी क्वेश्चन. सी एंड ई विल बी इन योर होमवर्क. We will do the D question now, and the D part is 3 by 10 of 150. So if you have taken 3 balls out of 10, then how many balls out of 150? देखो ध्यान से, 10 में आपने किस चीज का मल्टीप्लाई किया है टू गेट 150. 10 में आपने किस चीज का मल्टीप्लाई किया है टू गेट 50? 150. जल्दी से बताएंगे, बहुत ही इजी कर देता हूं मैं यहीं पे क्वेश्चन. आपको बताना है 3 आउट ऑफ 10 बॉल्स आपने निकाली, तो बताइए 150 में से कितनी बॉल निकाल लेंगे? 15 का मल्टीप्लाई किया है. किसका मल्टीप्लाई किया है? 15 का. 15 का. राइट. नाउ 15 का मल्टीप्लाई इधर किया है, then you have to multiply 15 also here. Multiply by 15 and 15 threes are, and 15 threes are, 15 threes are, जल्दी बताएंगे बेटा. 15 3s आर, जितने भी आते हैं वही हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा. जल्दी से बताओ. वेरी गुड, बहुत बच्चों ने जल्दी से कर लिया है. 15 3s आर 45. ठीक है, एक तो मेथड ये हो गया. दूसरा मेथड मैं आपको बताता हूं जो आपकी बुक में दे रखा है. स्टेप 1 is divide. This is whole number, this is denominator and this is numerator. होल नंबर को डिवाइड करना है डिनोमिनेटर से, तो 150 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 एंड यू विल गेट 15. 150 को 10 से डिवाइड करेंगे एंड यू विल गेट 15 एंड दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन. दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन. डिवाइड का आंसर कौन होता है? क्वेश्चन होता है. नाउ स्टेप 2 is quotient multiply by numerator, and quotient is 15 and numerator is 3, so our answer is 45. So you will get 45 balls out of 150. Okay, so that's for today.